Welcome back to my channel. First, let me say I am not a doctor. So in this video, I am going to share with you 3 powerful anti-inflammatory herbs that you can use to get rid of inflammation in your body. But first, let me say what is inflammation. Now, our immune systems become activated when the body recognizes anything that is foreign, and this often triggers a process called inflammation. Inflammation really describes the process by which the body's white blood cells and the substances they produce protect us from infection with foreign organisms such as bacteria and viruses. But in the case of many autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, the immune system, which acts as the body's natural defense, triggers an inflammatory response even when there are no foreign invaders to fight off, which then launches an attack on the body, causing damage to it. Now, the inflammation may manifest as mucus, joint pain and stiffness, redness, bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, acne, diarrhea or constipation, ulcers, flushing, and water retention. Now, while you may seek prescription drugs as treatment for various forms of inflammation, the best remedies are found at the grocery stores, in your backyard garden, in your cupboard. You understand? So I'm going to share with you 3 powerful herbs. So I'm using turmeric, ginger, and Single Bible. Single Bible, the correct name is Aloe Vera, but it is called Single Bible in Jamaica. So I'm using those 3 powerful herbs. Now, ginger and turmeric are very useful in treatment of inflammation in the body. They contain antioxidants and are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-disease. Studies have shown that these properties are important to blocking several genes and enzymes in the body that promote inflammation. Okay, so I am also using Single Bible, which is great in soothing inflammation of the stomach, digestive tract, and skin as well. So here is the recipe. So I'm using 2 ounces of turmeric, 1 ounce of ginger, and 1 Single Bible. I washed the turmeric and the ginger and the Single Bible. So now I'm cutting the turmeric and the ginger into chunks. I cut the Single Bible open and then I use a spoon to scrape out the white gel. So now I am putting all the ingredients in a blender, that is the turmeric, the ginger, and the Single Bible. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So the amount of water I use depending on the amount of ingredients. So I only use 2 ounces of turmeric, 1 ounce of ginger, and 1 small Single Bible gel. I blend all the ingredients until well combined, and now I am passing it through a strainer. This is the best anti-inflammatory home remedy. I pour it into a glass bottle. You can store it into any glass bottle, and then I put it into the cupboard, or what you call a pantry. Yeah, and the shelf life is like 3 months, I would say. Yeah, after that it start losing its powerfulness, its strength. Okay, so I have a shot glass and I normally drink 1 ounce. If you don't have a shot glass, you can always drink 2 tablespoons. I rather to drink mine right before bed, but my husband drink his early in the morning before drinking his tea or anything like that. So the choice is all up to you. If it's the first time you are drinking it, you can drink it for 1 week every day. You choose the time that you want to drink it. After that, you can slow down to probably once a week or 2 to 3 times per month. It depends on how you feel and how you want to drink it. You understand? But this is a powerful anti-inflammatory home remedy. Thanks for watching.